Forest Play School, water for wonderful bodies. The sun was shining warmly over Forest Play School. Miss Nova fluffed her feathers and smiled. Today, we are learning about something very important. Water. Fern the Fawn tilted her head. For swimming? Tonka giggled. Or splashing? Miss Nova winked. Even more than that. Water helps our bodies work their best. Miss Nova explained it keeps us cool, helps us think, and gives our muscles energy. Tonka blinked. Wait, water makes my legs strong? Sandy the snake did a happy wiggle, and it helps me slither without getting sleepy. Miss Nova handed each student a cool leaf cup filled with water. Fern took a sip and said, "That feels so nice." Sandy twirled around her cup. "I call this a slither sip." Tonka asked, "But Miss Nova, how do I know when I need more water?" "Great question," Miss Nova said. "When you feel thirsty, tired, or your mouth is dry, it's your body's way of saying, 'Please give me water.'" The class went on a short walk. After some time, Fern panted, "I feel warm." Miss Nova nodded. Time for a water break. The animals sipped, smiled, and felt ready to keep exploring. They stopped at the stream to refill their leaf cups. Tonka peeked at her reflection. "I think my shell shines brighter when I drink water." Miss Nova laughed gently. "It might. Healthy bodies glow with care." As the day ended, Sandy whispered, "I used to think water was just for puddle dancing, but it's kind of magic." Miss Nova nodded. The magic of taking care of you. The students headed home, leaf cups in hand, ready to drink, play, and care for their wonderful, wiggly, strong little bodies. The end.